Hola.
Good morning.
Hola.
We're in Newport Beach.
And it is beautiful here. Absolutely beautiful.
So down that way we have the beach, and down this way.
Which way?
No,
Can't get to here.
we have the harbour with all the boats. We're trying to find some breakfast, but we cannot.
And hopefully we're going to go whale watching today.
Yeah, we're gonna go to the beach and see some whales.
Wales, and we're from Wales.
We're in
And-
Newport Beach.
We're in Newport Beach, and opposite our beach is a church called Christ Church.
Is it?
Yeah.
That's weird.
Well, the Christchurch men then.
So they're here with us.
It's like they've tried basing it on us, but done a bit better.
Just put a beach and a harbour in.
So we had another 12-hour drive yesterday. It could have been a lot quicker. It could have possibly been more like
So we had like a 14-hour.
7-hour drive.
But we stopped off
we
at
chose
Santa Barbara.
to stop off at Santa Barbara because we love it so much there. And then drive down Route 1 again, which we did last time because that's so beautiful.
Yeah.
Yay.
And that added on an extra 5 hours because by the time we got to LA, the traffic was rush hour and it was absolutely horrendous. So it took us nigh on 3, maybe 4 hours just to travel from one side of LA to the other. And
We got in.
Mummy freaked out, didn't she?
What time did we get here?
We got here 7:30
We got here
and we left at
7:30.
7:15. So 12 and a quarter hours.
Hello.
Fresh from pavilions. We've got chicken, we've got pasta, we've got Stella. Got more I've got my fish up to go. I've got pepperoni. Look at this. Look at that. I've got shaka. That's mozzarella. And that's it. Then you do it. What is this? So the first thing you want to do is wash your hands. The on button. Yeah, isn't that 5? Click the 5 on button. Yeah, leave that. So that wasn't it? That. Here's that. Right, it's a second real pizza. By far. I just already know.
No one has seen this one before. No. Take their hats off on this one. I'm going to try and finish